Hello friends, now we have here a project on automatic irrigation system. For this project we have an Arduino, a humidity sensor, a relay, an LCD display, a 12-volt battery and a solenoid valve to control the water flow. Now we have programmed the Arduino already in Arduino software and set a parameter for humidity, that is 17. For example, this will allow us to detect the humidity and work to determine whether the humidity is low or high. This program is fed in the Arduino. The Arduino gets the input from the humidity sensor. The humidity sensor senses the humidity around it. Then it sends the data to Arduino, which will in turn determine the level of humidity, low or high, from the program, and will give us the output. As here you can see on the LCD display, the humidity set is 17. Right now the humidity sensor senses 16 around it, so humidity is low. So the Arduino will turn on the solenoid valve, which will
चल बोल.
So this is the solenoid valve, and now when we are putting some water, we can see the output as water coming out from the other side. Now in the Arduino output you can see that we are seeing this 16. Now here in humidity sensor we will put some ice cube to rise the humidity. Wait for a rise for humidity to rise. You see in the LCD display the humidity is 17 and the output is coming humidity in control. Same output can be seen in Arduino programming, where we can see that the humidity value is 17 and humidity is in control. And now we can also test that using a solenoid valve, where before it was giving us out. Now we can see there is no water coming from the other side. You can see there is no water coming out. So this concludes that we can see here that this setup here with humidity sensor, Arduino and a solenoid valve will give us the desired output and will control the water input and output in a pot or any agriculture industry. We can also use this setup in the pot, as when we go in vacation we can use it to make the plants not die the plants. Then we can use in the agriculture industry. Then we can use in any old people living in their home alone, we can use there. And for future application we can improve this circuit in agriculture industry, and we can apply that in the nurseries and greenhouse, and this will be very helpful for the farmers and the nursery caretakers, so that they have to not do a manual work. Thank you.